Okay.
What's up? Happy VLOGMAS! Hey!
What's up,
baby?
I'm like a deer in headlights. You could have at least said, "Hey, I'm shooting." Okay.
Hey, I'm
Or
shooting.
you could have said 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so I have to button this back up, and I can't because the button it's too small.
That's what she said.
I'm really trying. It's like that flash makes me feel nervous. Like it feels hot. On my
The flash
face.
is on?
Yes,
Oh.
but just keep it on, whatever. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, make sure you have your stuff right next to you, a little patch, and you also want to make sure that you have the fusible interfacing. All right, make sure they're pointing in the direction you want them to go. So then I generally take a pressing cloth, put it over the spot. This one we're repairing. But the thing is, you want to get the heat and the steam into the fabric, right? I'm not necessarily pressing, like I'm actually kind of lifting just to make it hot, right? So once I've done that, then I'm going to take this and put it in the spot that I want it to be. Thankfully, that spot was already marked out for me. I'm just going to press it. And as
I wonder who did that.
As I'm pressing it, the heat from here should melt down, but just in case it doesn't, we're just gonna hit it with just a little bit more steam. Not like a little pressure, mostly steam. Okay, so now that we've done that, you want to take the fusible interfacing with the adhesive side up, double, triple check to make sure that the adhesive side is on the correct side. So what we're gonna do is, I like to come in from the bottom, lift it up. You can kind of see through there and just lay the patch directly on top of the fusible interfacing. And then make sure you get all the lint and fibers and everything out of there, because once it's on, baby. Alrighty, straighten your shirt back out. Don't move the patch or the fusible interfacing.
It don't move.
Huh?
Nothing.
You are funny. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of steam. A little pressure, and then boom, you should be good to go. And don't worry about getting it all the way stuck, because like once I stitch it, we're gonna hit it one more time with
Got it.
heat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Got it. Thank you. Ow.
You didn't even notice that I put the doors on, bro.
I did. I saw that yesterday. Bro.
Don't call me bro.
Victor.
That's more like it. Woman.
Don't call me woman.
Fun to rhyme.
I done forgot everything you just told me.
It's easier and better to heat the fabric first. You know what? Why don't you start with this? Stack your sheets up. Free up the box.
Well, okay, got it.
The ones laying out are the ones that been, if they buttoned up, they've been pressed already. The ones in here are the ones that have not been pressed.
Okay.
The ones folded are ready to package. I guess I really ain't got nothing to do except to go make this run real quick. I'll be back.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all want Pepsis?
Pepsis?
You don't drink
I
Pepsi?
don't drink soda. I haven't.
Okay, so water then? I was trying to only stop one place, but I can't.
No, where's my water jug?
On the other side of your water.
My water.
On the other side. And I left my house boots at home. Because I wore them up out of here.
Well.
That was, if it's.
Oh, that was something that
pressed
stays
already.
here? Huh?
It's been pressed already.
Can I fold it here?
No. I want you to get up, take them next door one at a time, and fold them one at a time. Then I want you to make the plastic sleeves. Make them.
I'm sure.
Don't use the ones we have already.
I'm sure.
Because I want your life to be as difficult as humanly possible.
I know.
And then while you're doing that, you're going to babysit 10 children.
Woo!
2 and 3.
I quit. I don't think so.
She said, I'm out of here.
I'd rather walk up the street with a broken back. For real.
That is funny. Yeah, that sounds like a nightmare. I'd rather sort rice with the tweezers. Like,
Okay.
I'd rather sort wild rice with the tweezers.
And blindfolded. Because I don't think so.
Yeah.
10? Woo.
2 and 3-year-olds?
Woo.
I would own that. That would be great. Well, it depends on how long. For like an hour? I don't have enough energy. 10? 2 and 3? Oh, Jesus.
What about you, Big Mama? You taking that journey?
Okay, plot twist. 10, 2 to 3-year-olds, but you get paid $500 an hour.
Make it 1,000, then maybe.
Yeah, because it's like $100 an hour per kid, but it's $50 a kid. You get $50 a kid.
I said 1,000.
Oh my God! Do you guys want to hear the funniest thing I ever heard? So me and Saram, we get our dog walkers or people to watch our dog sitters off of Rover.com, right? So this one dude was on there and he got kicked off because he had like 30-something dogs. He got in trouble for having too many dogs. It was like, dang, it's like a pound, and he probably just had cages up against the wall.
So wait a minute, it was other people's dogs?
Yeah, he was a dog sitter, because I noticed that, like...
So what's wrong with him having 30-something dogs if he was taking good care of them?
How can you take good care of 30-something dogs all at once?
Well, apparently nobody was complaining.
Oh, they was complaining.
Oh,
That you don't find out
different.
that's like dropping your child off, Rane, and finding out everything you sent your child, in special toy and special snacks. They not getting none of that. He feeding them in a trough.
Is
They're
it what
probably
he
in
was
there
doing?
fighting.
See, y'all, ain't nobody even say what he was doing.
Well, he definitely wasn't feeding her our food.
Oh, your baby was there too.
Yeah, that's why this is a problem.
That's funny.
Oh, now it's funny. Now it's funny.
Because she said he wasn't feeding her food.
Domino don't like stuff like that. She don't like other dogs. She do, but she don't.
So y'all didn't know
No.
that he had possibly other dogs.
You can have other dogs. We didn't know that he had a whole apartment full of them. He had a side-by-side duplex, right?
Wow.
Yeah, he should be
He was
arrested.
making a grip.
He was, because it was over like Labor Day weekend where the brakes was inflated.
Wow.
He was like, he probably made about, I think me and Sharon did the math, like $3,500 that weekend.
Man, I ain't mad at him, to be honest.
We was laughing. We ain't gonna use them no more, but we was laughing. It was definitely some N-words.
How many times had you used it?
Never.
Oh.
Our other chick, Deanna, couldn't do it.
Oh.
I think Deanna don't like Domino.
Well, we tried and we got caught.
Hmm?
We got caught with Sid at our apartment. I mean, at our house.
What you mean?
So Sid, my grand dog,
Mm-hmm.
okay, because I told Big Mama every time, anytime she needed us to watch him, we would do it. But everything was going fine because he had been over there plenty of times. And, I think Big Mama was like on her way to come get him. And I said, maybe you should take him outside one last time before Big Mama gets here. He outside with Sid, everything going fine. And then I get a text message like, I think I just saw your son pick up a dog and go in the house. Of course, I couldn't lie.
So what did you say?
I was like, we were just watching him for, the truth. The truth.
That your daughter came to visit and left her dog?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
That we were watching a dog for a few minutes.
Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus.
I even told him that you were
Hello?
on your way to pick him up.
Hello?
And before
Yes.
Sid had even
Yes.
became a thing, I had asked Mr. Vane,
Say what now?
if we ever had to babysit,
Yes.
or not
Yes.
babysit, take care of the dog for like a half an hour. So, would that be okay? right there. Oh, it's cold out here. Yeah, but you said the office. A lot of us. It's literally 3 of us. Oh my gosh. Oh, snap.
Now, hopefully, it's enough to make it for all 3 of us for the day.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm getting me a second.
Every time Dad prays, I record it.
Well, go ahead and take it if you want.
Girl, take it. Or you want for your next
Yeah. I'll play it.
My sister tried to talk slick. Didn't know what she was talking about.
Dead wrong.
And look what she had to do.
Dead
I tried
wrong.
it.
Dead wrong. I really thought
Dead
I was right,
wrong.
though. I thought I was right. But that's okay. I'm going to redeem myself. And you're going to try
You tried it.
You're going to try it. I'm all prepared to give this to you today. So.
Oh, well, we shall see who's going to win today.
Oh, let's see who ends the day wearing the I tried it sticker.
Yeah.
I gotta be on my P's and Q's.
That's right.
I gotta be right for the rest of the day. That's impossible.
It is impossible because I'm always right.
A crown.
That says I tried it.
Yeah.
I got crowns. Well, I have to get a bigger one.
No, I got.
Because your head is pretty big. Hey, y'all. Hey. It's me. It's your girl, Rane. I'm back home. It is almost 11 o'clock at night. And guess what I'm having for dinner? Cheese and crackers. Bologna. White cheddar. And some stale crackers. But who gonna stop me, boo? We got so much done today. I had fun hanging out with my daughter and my sister. We had a fabulous day. Today is Vlogmas day number 5. But I will see you tomorrow. I do have to work. I will try to post something for Vlogmas day number 6. I'll try and do something a bit more interesting, I guess. I don't know, maybe some window shopping or something. I don't know. But our new Christmas tree did just come in today. I'm really happy about that. We do have a 4-foot and a 6.5-foot black Christmas tree. I have decided to keep the black Christmas tree, the 4-foot one, because Aiden doesn't want to let it go. Go figure, right? So that's really all for today. I will see you again tomorrow.